Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a payment method on Remitly using your PC step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to remitly.com. Make sure you're logged in to your Remitly account. At the top right, click the Welcome button to open the menu. Select Settings. In the Settings menu, click Payment Methods. Then click Add Payment Method. Choose either card or bank account as your payment type. Enter your payment details carefully, including card number, expiry date, CVV, or bank account information depending on your choice. Once completed, click Save to add the payment method to your Remitly account. Now your payment method is ready to use when sending money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.